Man, I really feel like I lucked out today. It is 10:47 a.m. on Sunday. The blizzard is coming today, and this is the video of the snow. It's under me. So I was able to get up early this morning, get my rear brake fixed on my bike, pull the fenders off, and get out to Dollar General. I missed yesterday. I told somebody I was going to go out yesterday, and it just didn't happen. There was not enough hours in the day yesterday for me to get out and get to the store. It's just now getting ready to start snowing where I'm at. So I feel really lucky that I was able to get out this morning and get my haul for this blizzard. So with that being said, let's take a look at my bike with all the groceries, and I will go into the grocery haul and what I bought. Now, I do want to point out that I'm not finished putting this bike together. I ended up taking the fenders off and fixing a brake so I could get out to the store today. But I got the bike on Thursday. It's Sunday. I'm still working on the fit and finish of this bike. It's been a real nightmare. And I hope to have the video of me putting it together up soon, but I haven't had time to go over that. So without further ado, let's see what I bought. Well, I got out to Dollar General today. I really didn't think I was going to make it out there after I missed yesterday, but I had too much going on yesterday, and I still had to fix the bike. I ended up just taking off the back fenders and getting the brakes to work. Back one works, front one is meh. But it was good enough that I got out to Dollar General today. Going to Dollar General means getting out onto a highway, so I didn't want to do that without brakes. All right, so I really didn't get any good deals today at all. The best deal was this pizza, and it was 2 for $10, so that saved me at like $1.90. Yeah, they're regularly $5.95, and I got them for $5 a piece. So that was really the only thing that was on sale. And since it's a Sunday, there was no $5 coupon, but there's a blizzard coming. I mean, there's no getting around that. I went ahead and got some more margarine. It was $1.30, $1.35. So not a bad price on this. These were $1. They're always $1. I just ran out of these yesterday. This was, I think, $3.75 heavy duty non-stick aluminum foil. Yep, $3.75 for the foil. These were $1. Just ran out of those yesterday too. It's been a just ran out kind of week. I finally found powdered sugar. I don't know how much this was. I got it because they had it, and I've been out forever. $2.35. Not bad. I think this is 2 pounds. Yeah, 2 pounds for just over $2. So I'm not going to complain too hard about that. Just a top up on the shampoo in case I can't get out next week. This was $2. I went ahead and got an extra toilet paper. This was $9. I went ahead and got some peanut butter. If the food pantry is open on Wednesday, you know, they're not going to be here until Wednesday. So I went ahead and got some peanut butter. This was $2, I think. Oh, no, it was $2.25. $2.25. These guys tricked me. I thought they were $1.50. They were instead $3.50. Whoops. But this falls under snacks that I don't have to cook in case the power goes out. $3.50 for cookies, generic cookies at that. Yikes. And I splurged. I got some chunky chocolate chip. These were $2.50. Jesus. Wow. I thought those were $1.52. Yikes. Oh, and I got some oil. I really got raked over the coals today. I've been out of oil for quite a while, a couple of weeks. So this was $3.95. Not bad, but it's generic vegetable oil. So it's probably about $1.50 too expensive. These were $1. I went ahead and got them. I got an extra milk, and I got some chocolate chips, semi-sweet chocolate chips. The milk was like $2 and something, $2.75 maybe, if I can find it. $2.70 for the whole milk. I'm going to put this up. Really not much I can do about it. I just don't feel like I'm going to be getting out the rest of the week. So I just got everything I needed for this week and next week. What am I looking for? Chocolate chips. Phew, $3.95. It was still cheaper than the Nestle. The Nestle was $5 for an itty bitty bag. These are some paper towels. I've been having problems finding the paper towels at CVS. They just been out. So I think these were $1.50. $2.85. Good grief. And I got some crackers because I'm out of those. $2.50. The crackers were actually a reasonable price, but boy, did I get taken to the cleaners today. It was $64 for all of this, and I only saved $1.90. Oh, what is this? Oh, this was $1. I got some extra dish soap. $64. Yikes. I didn't get very much either. But this will get me through the blizzard. I've got snacks. I've got stuff to bake with. You know, it just is what it is. So let's take a look at everything. This is everything but the cold stuff. $64, folks. They should be embarrassed. But anyway, that was my Dollar General haul for this week and probably next week. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe, and I will talk to you later.